In some situations, we might not be interested on the full list. Let's say, for example, that we only want Dave's direct reports and theirs direct reports. So let's say 2 levels down. Now, a single lookup is depth 0, meaning that if we match for Dave and we're only interested on knowing the documents of its direct reports, we just need to set the depth of our lookup to 0. But if we want to do 2 levels down, we will need to have a depth of 1. Therefore, we'll find the full data structures of Andrew, Elise, and Ron. Graph lookup allows us to do that. Using the previous dataset, child reference, where we have a direct report reference inside of each document, if we want to go 2 levels down till 2 level down report, we need to specify a max depth field, value equals 1, on our graph lookup. After we run this, we have our matching document, and then the list of results of direct reports to Dave up to 2 levels down. So we can see here that, for example, Andrew will be listed, as well as Ron and Elise, and obviously all of Dave's direct reports. So basically, max depth will restrict how many times we want to recursively find documents that match or they are connected using the from field and the connect to field. But let's say that apart from defining a max depth field of I only want to go 2 levels down, I also want to know how far away are those elements to the first element that I find in my lookup. Basically, I want to know how many recursive lookups did I need to do to find the particular documents. For that, I have depth field, which I can specify a field name, which will tell me exactly that. How many recursive lookups were needed to get this particular point. When I run this, I can see that Elliot is on number 0, meaning that I only needed 1 single lookup to find it. Then again, it's the first base lookup. Same thing for Megan, same thing for Richard, same thing for Carlos. But for Andrew, I need to go 1 recursive, or in this case, 2 recursive lookups down. Same thing for Ron, and same thing for Elise. By specifying a depth field level, I can get the information of how many recursive lookups were needed to find that particular element on the descendants field here.